Can sneezing make our eyes pop out? No, sneezing won't make our eyes pop out. This myth likely comes from the intense pressure generated during a sneeze, but our eyes are well secured by strong muscles and the optic nerve. Even if we sneeze with our eyes open, they won't pop out. The body has built-in mechanisms to manage pressure changes safely. However, sneezing can cause minor side effects like burst blood vessels in the eyes or temporary vision disturbances.